Okay. All right, everyone. We've got someone special joining us today. Please welcome Calix to the podcast. Super hyped to have you here. It's about time. Honestly, we've been wanting to do this for a while, diba? And now you're finally here, ready to vibe with us. Let's get into it. Sige, sige. So, how are you, Calix?
I'm okay.
Okay, musta naman araw? Kahit
Okay
gabi
lang.
na. It's like
Kailan
10
natatakot.
p.m. Hmm. So, today I prepared some questions for you to answer and for me to answer if you're gonna ask me. Uh,
Okay, go lang.
so, okay, cat themed questions. Do you think cats actually love us or are we just their servants?
Ano yan?
I don't know, bro.
Yes, cats love us. Kasi I have a cat and
Yeah.
I don't know, I don't know actually. Because nilalapitan lang ako if they need food.
Yeah, so basically they're like we're like servants.
Not really.
Cuz like they only approach us if they need something, right? So basically servants lang tayo.
Depende sa pusa.
Yeah, it depends. Okay. So, what next question? What's one cat behavior you secretly relate to?
Um, wait lang. I don't know, bro. Sleeping, the joke.
Sleeping?
Ayun, I don't know, that's it.
Ayun lang.
Sleeping. Joke lang.
Sleeping? Oh nah. Alright, alright. So, would you rather be stuck in a house with 10 clingy cats or one evil genius cat?
Yung clingy.
Clingy?
Clingy ba?
Yeah, 10 clingy cats or one
Oo.
evil genius cat. Because,
Yes.
like, what yes?
Yes, clingy cats.
Why? Like, why 10 clingy
Kasi I have
cats?
3 clingy cats and it's very manageable.
Why not an evil genius cat?
Kasi baka
Baka,
I might, I might, I don't know, I might not be able to
you might
take
not be
care of
able
it.
to. Why?
Joke lang.
It's genius though.
Eh di umalis siya sa bahay. Joke lang.
Bruh. Okay.
Eh, yeah.
That is crazy, bro. Papaalisin mo lang yung pusa mo.
Kasi genius, di ba? So, pag ayaw niya sa akin, edi umalis siya. Joke.
No, nah. Okay, so, ito naman, friendship questions. Light to
Okay, G.
deep. GG. Okay, what makes someone a real friend to you?
Okay, alam ko na.
Okay.
If, example, when you're opening up to them,
Yeah.
they don't invalidate your feelings.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos like, they're not
Like, they don't judge
self-centered.
you. Oh,
Yes.
self-centered?
Tapos,
Yeah.
especially when you have friends in school, di sila
Yeah.
competitive. Like, they're always there to
Ah.
support you kahit na, yeah, I have friends like that. Like,
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
there to support
Everyone
you.
does, bro.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
there's some friends like, I don't know, basta.
Yeah, like there's some friends na like they're there to like compete with you. Some friends are there to like to support you.
Yeah.
And
And
some
then,
friends are just there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Tapos,
So, also what?
I don't know, like, pag nag-aaway kayo, tapos magbabati kayo later.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't know, basta you guys know how to fix problems. Di
Yeah,
nyo
yeah.
lang, yes.
Yeah, like fixing problems, like that's one of the most important things sa friendship.
Yeah.
Cause like kunyari nag-away kayo,
Understand.
it's like kunyari nag-away kayo tapos you don't understand each other. Parang what kind of friendship do you have? Diba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, next question. What's your favorite memory with a friend?
Wait, okay. Madami actually, but
O na,
yes,
baka ako yan
madami.
yung sa bus, yung sour ano ko.
No, bro. Ew. Bro, all you do is just, bro. Like, you just talk sa bus. Yun lang.
Yeah, bro. Ayun lang ginagawa ko sa bus. Like, but like
I don't
with your
know.
other friends, like what's your most favorite memory?
I don't know. There's too many.
Too many. Alright, alright. So, eto. Have you ever had a fail? Ay, wait, what? What did I type? Wait lang. Wait lang. Huwag na yan. Okay. Do you
Ano?
think you're a better friend now than you were before?
Wait lang. I might, yes.
Yeah.
Konti. I can still improve, but
Yeah. Everyone
I
can.
think I improved kasi dati as a really toxic friend, especially in grade school. Like, I used to make people feel left out on purpose. Iniiwanan ko
Uh-huh.
sila. But, I
Pero
don't know. I
nung grade
realized
school
it's
naman
wrong.
tayo, like, bro, you didn't leave me
Bro,
out,
grade
no?
school, like grade 4.
Grade 4 you that one. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and
Oo
then
nga,
like,
no?
ayun.
Bro, like, dati, I think I'm a better friend now since, like,
Yeah, cause we're
parang,
maturing,
yeah,
of course.
like me winning the auditor position is not even related. Why did I even bring that up? Okay, so, ano, it's like, it's me, kasi I've experienced a lot of things. So basically, I've matured and like realized most of the stuff I did was right or wrong. Ganon. Basically, ganon.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. So, eto. Last question of the friendship question is, what do you think makes our friendship works?
Um, Communication.
Bro, we're like on and off, bro. Like,
Oh, yeah, bro, real.
yeah, on and off, pero like we're still close when we talk.
But like, yung effort,
Yung effort, bro,
the effort you put in
bro,
to the friendship.
we just spam like, bruh,
I know, bro,
bruh,
when I say
bruh,
una, mag-una ka din, tapos mag-una ako.
una, bro. Ito nga, I'ma show an example, bro.
Ano daw?
What am I pointing at? Ayan, I'ma show an example here. Okay.
Oh no, bro's gonna show the chat. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Okay, ito naman. Which friend in your life has the most cat-like personality?
What?
Yeah, like, no, like, which friend in your life has the most cat-like personality?
I don't know, probably Reese.
Why? Explain it further.
Kasi she reminds me of my cat.
Actually, why?
Like, I don't know. Basta.
Like quiet? Ganun ba?
Yeah. Tapos like,
Smart?
I don't know kasi cats have different personalities.
Yeah.
So like, maybe all my friends remind me of a cat personality.
Yeah, like everyone has like different cat personalities, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Be honest. Would you still be friends with someone who didn't like any cats?
Yeah, bro.
Actually?
Yeah.
What?
Of course. I don't like dogs.
I'm like,
I mean, I'm scared
oh,
of
yeah.
dogs.
Oopsies.
Kasi hinabol ako once.
Bro, ako, I'm like a so-so. Like, ano, like I like
But like,
cat.
if they
I
hate
love
cats, like hate. Like, sobrang
hate.
hate. And okay lang.
Okay lang,
Because we all
what?
have our own opinions
Yeah.
naman. And
For me, I like dogs, but I love cats. Kasi, cats are like more easier to take care of because they're like smaller and lesser, you know. And like dogs, they're like sometimes they can
They're
get
so
annoying.
clingy.
Yeah, like clingy to the point na maanoy ka na. Yeah, that point.
Yeah, tapos mabaho pa joke.
Oh
Like,
no.
I don't know.
Yeah, but like they're gonna lick you a lot. Tapos puro
Yeah.
laway. Yeah. All right. So, if you had to give your closest friend a cat to match their personality, what would it look like?
Huh? Wait lang, huh?
If you had to give your closest friend a cat to match their personality, what would it look like?
Hmm. Okay, so I'll give one to Riani.
Explain
I
why.
don't know, actually. Probably, ano, probably a white cat.
A white cat?
Yeah. I
Ah,
don't know yung mga personality ng cats, ha? Pero based
yeah,
on my cat, si Ming, the white one,
yeah,
Ming
yeah.
is very independent. Tapos, ano rin siya, like,
Smart then, honors.
ano daw? No, bro. Riani is more than, ano, honors.
Yeah, yeah,
Like,
yeah.
um, I don't know. Basta,
Basta like, there's like,
all the
there's
cats
more
na
to
lang.
that. All the cats? Crazy. Alright. Ito, last question ko. If you and your best friend were stray cats, what kind of chaos would you cause?
Huh?
If you and your best
Cause?
friend were stray cats, what kind of chaos would you cause?
Oh, cause.
Yeah.
I don't know. We would probably, wala naman. We would like steal food from the trash can.
Why?
Kasi,
Why not like beg to the own like mga random people? They
ah,
hope they adopt you or something.
it's rare. Kasi people, I don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
Baka masagasaan mo na ako.
Musta na yung cats mo, si Ming and si Blackie?
Oh yeah, wait. I'm gonna find for them.
Aw. Wait, what's her name ulit? Or his? What's his name?
The
Or
name
her? Or
is
her?
Budong.
Budong? Is that a
It's a girl.
guy?
She's a girl.
She's a girl. Budong, Blackie, and Ming.
Budong. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kamusta na sila?
they're okay.
Yeah, like how old are they now?
Actually, we're planning to adopt a new cat.
Actually? When?
Yeah, si Muy Muy.
Hmm?
It's wait, my bad. It's a stray cat doon sa yeah,
Sa... So where?
doon sa swimming
Ah,
practice.
also swimming practice?
Oh, Ming Ming is here.
Oh, cute naman.
Ming Ming.
Bro, speaking of cats, bro, I'm gonna have a cat na rin like next week.
I know, bro.
Yeah,
Si Kai.
Cairo. I named it Cairo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I don't know why. Basta Cairo name ko sa kanya. Cute naman. Oh, she has blue eyes?
Yeah,
Actually? Where'd you get her ba?
from the street.
Actually?
We got all my cat. I got all my cats from the street.
How are they tamed ba?
Huh?
How did you guys tame them?
No, kasi they're rescued like parang may sakit tapos we
Ah.
just took them when they were babies.
Oh,
Kittens.
tapos they grew
So
up
they
with
grew
you.
up na lang. Yeah.
Ah. Ganun pala. Kala ko it's like when they're old na tapos tsaka you get them.
Huh?
I thought it's like
No,
when
no.
like sa
Kasi if they're
adoption
old
like
na.
they
Oh, no. It's gonna, yeah.
Yeah,
If
it's
they're
like
old na tapos you adopt them, it's most like, I mean, it's there's a chance na they would want to go outside ulit
why?
kasi di sila pinalaki as a house cat.
Mm,
It's like di sila nasanay sa loob.
yeah. I appreciate you on the episode. It's so great to have you here, Calix. Thank you for joining kasi I've messaged a lot of people and you're one of the few people who accepted to join the episode. And that's all for today. I appreciate you guys. Goodbye. Peace out.